What's up, everybody? Here we go with another video. This time it's going to be on the XOP single steps. What I did to change them, what I did to cut weight, and to help me with climbing higher up in the tree with less weight. Stay tuned, it's coming at you. Hey guys, this is Jared with Jared Morris Outdoors. I want to go over my XOP single steps, what I done different to them. These steps I ordered, they weigh 2 pounds each. Extremely lightweight. I love them. They got great V brackets. They lock to the tree, awesome. A couple of things I did different though is I didn't like having to carry around the pull straps. Those wide straps add more weight to it. I know some people say that it don't add that much, but I'm in this to get as light as I can. There's a lot of guys going on there that's actually using 7/16 am steel. I want a little bit more than that. This right here is 1/4 inch am steel, and it's got over 500 pound braking strength, and that's what I wanted. So what I did was I added more than normal, because you never know what size tree you're actually going to get up. And guys, I made all this myself. I didn't pre-order it already made. I ordered 100 foot of 1/8 am steel, and I made my own to go around my steps and my single step aider. I made a double step aider, but I wasn't comfortable with it. So I took it apart and decided to make single step aiders for all 4 steps. But I mean, it's very easy. I've actually got it girth hitched around the button on the tree stand. I got it girth hitched twice, that way it doesn't come off. You can get it wrapped all the way around the tree. Whenever you get it around the tree and you go back, I go around and around again, and then I go underneath this one. So let me grab my other camera and let me go through and show you just how I set it up on the tree. All right guys, so what I do whenever I get to the tree, XOP comes with these brackets, and I really like them because you can actually stack them on top of each other. Take this bracket on another XOP and slide it down. It goes around this and locks them in place, so it's very easy to carry them. So what I do, get it around the tree. I get it a little bit level, maybe a little bit higher. Pull it tight, go around once, go around a second time. I take it and I go under this loop, pull, go under one more time, go under this side, pull it, and I go under one more, and then all I do is girth hitch. Once I got it girth hitched, I pull these down, and there it is, guys. It ain't going nowhere. Once you get the weight on it, everything's wrapped around. I'll then take and I'll drop the strap here behind, and I'll put this back just so my feet don't get tangled up in it. As far as this rope right here, this is what I use to hang my stand onto my saddle. I've got S hooks on my saddle, and these right here just go around it, just hangs on my side as I'm going up. So once I start from the ground and I go up, I don't come back down till I'm done hunting. But that's the way the XOP single step goes on. I know there's several guys out there that does the double steps, and I thought about maybe ordering the double steps to put on it, because it seems like it would be better, or especially on the top, do one stick that has a double step instead of a single. But with this, I can put this first step up. As you can see, it's high. It's the button is chin level. I'm 5'10". Now what I can also do is, let me attach my single step aider and I'll show you how it works. So I actually go in the first hole, go around and pull down. So there's the first one. Then I go down to the second one, do the same thing. Go in the hole, go around the hole, pull it tight, and there's my second one. And there's my single step aider. That is how I do all my sticks. And as you can see, with just say 2 sticks, if the top step, if I'm 5'10", there's the first step. I can get right at 6 foot with 1 step. Then I can go up another and put same thing, put it chin level. Put the button chin level, the step is another 5'10". That puts me right at 12 foot up the tree. So if I can get 12 foot up the tree with just 2 steps, I'm there, I'm good. If I need to go higher, I can go right on up. I can go another, say 6 foot. So that puts me at 18 foot. If I need to go even higher, I can go even higher. I can go all the way up to, 24 foot with just 4 steps. And my platform will be at 24 foot. But as far as getting in, same thing, put your toes against the tree. There I am. I'm now my head level right here. I'm at 12 foot. So if I put another step right here, another aider and my step, and my feet's gonna be close to right here. So that's gonna put me at being right at 12 foot with just 2 steps. And guys, with 2 steps, I can go a ways with 4 steps. And my whole system, my platform, my steps, 4 steps, 24 foot up to the bottom of the platform, I'm another few feet. So I can get on up there, just the way it is. These are light, they weigh nothing with the am steel. Pull them right back off as I come down. And the rubber piece, this piece is free. I don't have it locked in, nothing. That way it doesn't matter what side that I put it on. And I can go right on up. So guys, that's my steps, the XOP single steps. I really do like them. Let me grab another one and show you how this piece right here works while it's on the tree. So that's how they actually carry together, guys. You can lock them in just like that, walk through the woods. You can leave 2 attached, or you can, like I do with my platform on the other video where I actually attached everything. So I leave them attached 2 at a time. So it works out great, guys. So definitely check them out. I know they got a lot of sticks out there. But for me right now, I've been real satisfied with the XOP single steps. Step off of the tree is very simple. It don't matter what size tree, whether it's a large tree, small tree, it's all the same. Step back up, pull your half hitch out, unwrap it, push up on the stick. Undo that half hitch, undo that half hitch, pull it off. Then what I do is I wrap it around the steps. And I'll take and tie them around. There's no noise, nothing. fold that one up, fold that one up, turn around, place them together, put them back on my platform, strap them down, and I'm gone. I'm out, guys. Very quiet, very effective. So guys, that's basically everything that I use on my saddle setup. Went over how I carry it in on one video, how I strap everything to my platform with backpack straps and go in. I've actually took and showed you my platform, the DIY platform that I built, how it sets up, the size of it, and how strong it is. This video I showed you the XOP single steps, how I redid those and made my own DIY modifications to them. And everything that I did as far as cutting weight. Did I pick this stuff up on my own and figure it all out? No. I found it out on YouTube, watching other videos, watching people from G2 Outdoors, how he built this platform, and the weight of these, 2-pound weight, and that's it. The only difference was I took straps off and put the am steel, 1/8 am steel. Watching videos on how to do the splicing of the am steel, how to do the loops, how to do everything. All that's on YouTube, everywhere you go to look, but it's sporadic, it's everywhere. So I wanted to do a video of my whole saddle system. I've already did one video with the saddle that I use, and I use the Cruiser XC size 2 now. I did have the size 1, went to the size 2. But that's everything that I use. I am going to do one more video. I'm going to do the video of my fanny pack, what I carry in it. Because after watching one of Cody's videos and how he carries everything into a bino harness, I was carrying way too much junk. Literally too much junk. But guys, I appreciate it. I thank you for watching till the end. I'm going to be putting the links of every video that I've watched, from how to set the platform up, who I found for that as far as the backpack straps, G2 Outdoors, Cody Diasco, any video that I've watched that has helped me with my decision on the saddle, I'll tag it in there with it. Because it all didn't come from me. I just took it and put it all together as one system for me. So guys, I appreciate it. Thank you. If you would, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video. Share my video if you will. Help me get more likes with it, more subscribers. I've just about got my watch time videos with me and my dad out brim fishing. This is December the 31st. Tomorrow is January the 1st of 2022. Our rut season is about to kick in, so I hope I can get a few videos of me out hunting and taking some bucks. But we'll see. It's been a bad year so far since archery season went out, or since November 21st. But guys, thank y'all. Please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and y'all stay safe this new year, this 2022 year. God bless you, and I wish you the best. Thank y'all.